Subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. Children, today I am going to teach you subtraction. Four cars are standing in a park. Four cars are parking in a park. One car run away. How many cars left? Oh, three cars are left. Three cars are parking in a garage. Three cars are parking in a garage. One car runs away. How many cars are left? Oh, two cars are left. Two cars are parking in the garage. Two cars are parking in the garage. One car runs away. How many cars are left? Oh, one car left. One car is standing in a garage. One car is standing in a garage. One car runs away. How many cars left? Oh, no cars left. Oh, children, this is a subtraction you have learned in the small previous classes. Now, children of standard 4, in the previous classes, you have learned the subtraction up to the 4 digits. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction is the operation of finding the difference between the two values. The operation of finding up the differences of the two values is called the subtraction. So here are the two values. There are 3 parts of the subtraction. The quantity or a number from which the subtraction is done, it is called minuend. And the quantity or the value which is subtracted to minuend is called subtrahend. And the result that is found, it is called difference. What are the rules of subtraction? We start the subtraction from the extreme right side of the place value chart. It is very convenient to do the subtraction in the place value chart, children. So, we start from the ones places. In ones place, there is 0 ones and 0 ones are subtracted. So, we get the 0. So, here we start from the extreme left. We start from the ones, then we come to tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000s, and so on and so on. So all you understand that what is subtraction. Now children, come to the facts of subtraction. But children, before going to the facts of subtraction, there are some keywords which are used for subtraction. The keywords are decreased by, minus, less than, left, distance between, fewer than. These are the keywords which are used for subtraction. Decreased by, minus, less than, distance between, fewer than. Now children, facts of subtraction. Let's come to the first fact. Here the subtraction of the small number, they are always written in the horizontally. So here the numbers are written horizontally. We have to subtract it. 5 is subtracted from 8. 8 minus 5, that is 3. Now here also, firstly we will do the subtract from ones first. We will do the subtraction of ones first, and then we take a borrow from this tens. From this tens we will take a borrow, that is 1, and then we, that is 10, we take a borrow from it, and then we do the subtraction of tens. Now here subtraction with a large number is worked out vertically. placed in the placed value chart. This is the subtraction between the large number. In case of large number, they are placed vertically. In the case of a small number, they are placed horizontally. So here the vertically, they are kept in a placed value chart. So here come to the fourth fact. If the 0 is subtracted from the number, then the result is the number itself. It means 0, when the 0 is subtracted from the number, it does not change the nature of the value of the number. Now children, come to the next topic. Subtraction without regrouping. So here children, all of you see that here the subtraction of the numbers are with the 5 or more digits follow the same rule of subtraction of the 4-digit numbers. You have done 4-digit number subtraction, you have done the subtraction in between the 4-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. And here the subtraction of the numbers of the 5-digit and more digits follow the same rule as you have done the subtractions of the 4-digit numbers. So here we firstly start from the ones and then come to the tens and then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000. So in ones, 7 minus 6, it is 1. Now subtracting tens, 8 minus 5, it is 3. 9 in 100, subtracting hundreds, 900 minus 800, 100. Now come to the thousands, subtracting thousands, 9,000 is subtracted to 4,000, that is 5,000. Now we subtract 5 minus 2, 10,000 and 2 10,000. So it is 5 10,000 minus 2 10,000 is 7 10,000. So it is simply, we can do it, we follow the rule. Similarly, in the case of subtraction of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit number, similarly we will start from ones, that 8 minus 0 is 8. Now we go to the tens, 5 tens minus 2 tens is 3 tens. Now move to this 100, 700 minus 600 is 100. Now come to 1000, 6000 minus 4000 is 2000. Now come to 10,000, 6 10,000 minus 5 10,000 is 1 10,000. Now come to lakh, 7 lakh minus 3 lakh is 4 lakhs. So children, in this way we can do the subtraction without regrouping, just as you have done in the with the 4-digit numbers in the other classes. Now come to the subtraction with the regrouping. Now firstly, before subtracting, let us recall how to regroup a number. Let us recall how to regroup the number. For example, 6 tens plus 3 ones is equals 6 tens plus 3 ones is equals 5 tens and 13 ones. How? As we see that we can write it as 5 tens plus 13 ones. Now come to the 500. 500 plus 8 tens is equal to how many hundreds plus how many tens? So we can write 500 and 8 tens as 400 plus 18 tens, right? So here I will write 400 and 18 tens. Now come to 7,000 plus 500. We can write 7,000 as 6,000 and 1,000 will come added with the 500. It will become 1,500. Now come to 4. 8,000 plus 12,000. It can be written as 8,000 plus 12,000 is 20,000. So we can write as 10,000 plus 10,000. Now let us solve this problem. 3 tens plus 8 ones is equals 2 tens plus how many 0 ones? So here all of you see that 3 tens plus 8 ones is equals 30 plus 8, right? So this 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. So we subtract from 38 20. 2 tens is 20. So we subtract 38 minus 20, which is equals 18. So here it will be 18 ones, right children? Now come to next example. 200 plus 5 tens is equals how many 100 plus 15 tens. So 200 plus 5 tens can be written as 200 plus 50, 250. So we subtract 250 to 150, right? So 150, because 15 tens is equals 150. We have to find the how many hundreds are here. So 250 minus 150 is equal to 100, that is 1h. So I will write here 100. So in this way we have learned to how to regroup the numbers. Now children, let us come with the subtraction with borrowing. After regrouping the number, the subtraction with borrowing. So here the numbers are written in columns in the place value chart, and according to the rule we have to start from the ones place. Children, now subtraction with borrow. Now here this is the abacus, model of the abacus. So here it represents the place value chart. It starts from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 for 5-digit number. So here 25,575 is subtracted to 17,386. So it is these numbers, the quantities are written in the place value chart. Now here let us firstly enter this, the number from which we do the subtraction. 25,575 is minuend. So we enter this minuend in this abacus. So what is it? 25,575. So in ones it is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next is 2 lakh. 2 10,000. 1, 2. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This abacus represents the number minuend of this subtraction, that is 25,575. From this 25,575 we have to subtract 17,386. So according to the rule of the subtraction, let's start from the ones place. This ones place, it has 5 ones and 6 ones. We have to subtract 6 ones from 5 ones. So is it possible to subtract 6 ones from 5 ones? Why? Why not possible? Because 5 is less than 6. So what we have to do? Children, we have to borrow 10 ones from this 10 column. So here in 10 columns 7 tens are there. So I am borrowing 10 from this tens. So this 10 will convert into 10 ones. So this 10 will convert into 10 ones. This 10 will convert into 10 ones. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many ones are there now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now it is now 15. So what I have done, I have borrowed 10 from this 10 column. So 7 minus 1, it will become 6, and 10 will convert into 10 ones. So it will become 15 ones. Now from 15 it is easy to subtract 6. So I will take away 6 bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many bangles are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bangles are left. So I will put down 9 in the ones column. Now come to tens. In tens, 6 tens is there. So I have to subtract 8 tens from this 6 tens. Is it possible? No, because 6 is less than 8. It is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 100 place. From 100 place, I will borrow 100. So from 500, I will borrow 100. So this will become 400, and 100 will, I will take this 100 from this 100 column. This 100 will convert into, I have taught you that how to regrouping the number. This 100 will convert into how many tens? 10 tens. 10 tens equals 100. So it will convert into 10 tens. This is tens column. So it will convert into 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it has become, so what it will become? It will become 16. It will become 16. Okay, 16 tens. Now it is easy to subtract 8 tens from 16 tens. Let's see how many tens are here after borrowing from the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 bangles are there. From 16, I have to take away 8. So I will take away 8 bangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I take away 8 bangles. So how many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 bangles are left. So 8 is the difference. 8 is the answer. 8 tens. Okay, now come to hundreds. In hundreds, 400 is there. I have to subtract 300 from 400. We can subtract because 4 is more than 3. So 4 is more than 3. So I will take away 300 from 400. 1, 2 and 3. How many hundreds are left? Wow, 100. So we subtract 400 to 300. 100 is left. Now come to thousands. 5,000 is there. I have to subtract 7,000 from 5,000. Is it possible? No, because 5 is less than 7. So 5 is less than 7. So what we'll have to do? We have to borrow from 10,000. How many 10,000 you will? I will take 1 10,000. I will take 1 10,000 from this 10,000 column, and this 1 10,000 will convert into 10,000. So 1, I will add 10 in the 1,000 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now after borrowing from 10,000, 1 10,000, this 10,000, 2 minus 1, 1 will be left here. I am borrowing 1 10,000 from the 10,000 column, so it will become 10,000. So 10 plus 5 will become 15,000. So now I will subtract from 15,000, I will take away 7,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I take away 7 bangles from here, the 1,000 column. Now how many bangles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bangles are left in the thousands column. So I will write here 8. Now we subtract, come to the 10,000 column. Subtracting 10,000, this 1 10,000 is there. So I will subtract 1 10,000 to 1 10,000, it will be 0. So difference is 8,189. So difference is 0. I am subtracting 1 10,000 from 1 10,000, so it will become 0. I'll take away 1 from 1, there is nothing is left in the 10,000, so it will become 0. So what does this abacus show? This shows the difference between 25,575 and 17,386. So what is the difference? Difference is the 8,189. So this is the answer.